Hi, it's Rhonda Brzozowiec coming to you again. And the subject of my video today is 3 quick tips for you to get more engagement on Facebook, right? So anybody that has a business online and is using Facebook, because Facebook is one of the biggest platforms, is looking to have more engagement, right, on their posts and their contents. Why do we want more engagement? Because more engagement means more people are looking at your content, right? So that's like free organic traffic. And the more people that are liking and commenting on your posts, now Facebook sees that as you are giving value, right? So the more value you're giving and people are seeing value in your content, the more Facebook is now going to push your stuff out into the algorithm for more people to see. And that's the whole point, right? We want more people to see our stuff and we build a relationship. They get to know, like, and trust us. And then it helps our business ultimately in the end, because people want to do business with people they know, like, and trust. So getting into those tips. So the first tip I have for you is to add new friends, right? So you want to add new friends that are people that are going to be interested in what you're doing. So obviously, if they're going to be interested in what you're doing, they're going to be people that you have something in common with, right? So they're going to be people that you would naturally seek out to be friends with in the regular world, right? Not the online space, just so it's going to be a natural progression. So look for new friends, people that are going to be interested in the same things that you're interested in. You can find these type of people in different types of groups, right? So if you're in groups of, I don't know, say you're interested in yoga. So you're in yoga groups. Those are going to be some of the people that have the same interests as you. So more than likely, they will be interested in whatever business you're doing. So that's just one example. Here's my second tip, is to engage on other people's posts. So it's just like anything, what you give is what you receive, right? So the more you are liking and loving and commenting on your friends' posts, right? So when you're on your newsfeed and you're just scrolling, if you're just scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and you're not engaging with others, Facebook is going to look at you like you're just a scroller, right? And that's not going to help you in their algorithm. Now, the more you start liking and commenting on people's posts and engaging with them, so whatever they're sharing, whatever they're posting about is something that's important to them. It could be their family, it could be their pets, it could be a vacation they took, it could even be just a quote that they resonate with, right? So the more you're liking and commenting on their things, you're going to start seeing their stuff more. You're going to start to really get to know them, instead of starting those fake conversations in Messenger where you're going, hi, how are you? Where are you from? Like, are you really getting to know that person in Messenger? No. But if you go to their Facebook timeline, you're getting to know them truly, because what they post about are going to be things that they care about. So the more you engage on others' content and start to get to know them, the more they will start engaging on the content you're putting out, because now they're going to start to get to know you too, and the kind of things that you know and like, right? And about you and your family, and building a relationship the right way online by truly getting to know what people are interested in. So my third tip of the day is to give value and entertain people. So people are on social media for a reason. They're not on here saying, oh, what do I want to buy today? That's not why they're coming on Facebook, right? Or social media. They're not coming on here to look for products to buy. They're coming on here to learn things, or, get some value, or to be entertained, right? We have enough problems and different things going on in our life. We come on social media as a release. So, make people laugh, entertain them, with different things, give them value, like say you're into health and wellness, right? Just teach people about things, not necessarily your product or your company. Like, they don't necessarily want to learn about your product or your company, right? But give them value about something generic in your industry that is something that can help them in real life, whether they buy your product or not, right? It's all about giving free value to people so that they start to trust you and like you, and they like the stuff that you're putting out. Once you start doing that, that's truly building the right relationships on social media. And you'll start to see people coming to you more, engaging with you. Once again, more engagement is more eyes on your content. And that's free organic traffic without having to buy any traffic for your business. And it's building up that know, like, and trust factor. And in the end, that will help your business grow organically. So I hope these tips helped. If these tips helped you, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be pushing out more content like this. And thanks for watching. And I'll be talking to you guys soon.